Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the payment amount of a loan, the monthly payment you have to make on a loan, using Excel formulas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you the file with all the formulas already set up that you can download right below the video. This way you can follow in with me and you can reuse it later if you want. So for this example, I'm going to take a loan of 300,000 over 20 years with an interest rate of 3.5%. And we want to know how much we have to pay each month to reimburse this loan for 20 years. I mean, at the end of 20 years. So for that, we're going to use the function PMT. And there's two ways to use it. It depends how often the interests are calculated. So that depends on your loan, on what you sign, and so, you can compute the interest either at the end of the year. In that case, we say that it's compounded annually, so you only earn interest 3.5% of the outstanding loan at the end of the year, or the interest can compound monthly, which means that each month the amount increases by interest, which are calculated with a monthly interest rate, which is usually the yearly interest rate divided by 12 for 12 months. So either we use as an annual interest rate 3.5%, or as a monthly interest rate 3.5% divided by 12, and it's a little bit different. So we're gonna first start with the yearly interest rate. So in that case, we use the rate of 3.5%. That's the first parameter of the function PMT for payment. The number of period, which is the number of periods that number of payments that you're gonna do, is 20 years. So that actually it's gonna be one payment by period, so one per year. We're going to have to divide by 12 after. So number of periods is 20, and the present value, so PV is the value at the start, so you have to take minus the amount. That's actually the let's say the amount that you have at the beginning. So since at the beginning you owe 300,000, it's minus 300,000. Okay, and so this is going to be the payment per year, and we're going to divide it by 12. So that's when we have an annual compounding. Usually, what happens is the compounding is monthly. So each month the debt accrues interest. So we cannot use 3.5%. We have to use 3.5% divided by 12. So each month we compute the new value of the loan, and the payment is you make one payment per period, so one payment per year. So it's going to be 20 years times 12. See here it's a bit different, and the present value, it's the same. It's minus the amount that you owe at the beginning, and it's 1,007. So first, what you see is that it's a bit different depending on the technical specification of the contract. Either the interest is computed monthly or yearly. So the amount is a little bit different, but it's not a huge amount. Of course, the cool thing about using this Excel formula is it's gonna work. It's gonna work for any time, any parameters. So for example, if you want to run simulations, if you're not sure, on how long you want to take a loan, you can make simulations and use different time frames, or you can use different interest rates. So these are things that you can use to have a little bit of an idea how much a loan is going to cost you. And this is really simple because everything is using it's just using one simple Excel formula. So I'm going to leave you download the file. It's going to be right below the video. I'm going to put the link for you so you can download and play with it a little bit. and I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you will be notified as soon as I publish it. See you guys. Ciao.